Hey, it's Lars Hauwert here and welcome to this video. So I started a complete Shopify store from scratch. No past pixel data, no audiences, just $500 in startup capital. No proven winners. Like, it was a completely new supplier that I've never sold any products of before. And essentially what happened is that we started with a 6x ROAS right off the gate. So I'll show you the numbers right away. So as you can see here, around $9,000 in total revenue. And here the ad spend for that same period is around 1,100 euros, which is around $1,300. So that leaves us with a ROAS of around 6, 7. So for every dollar that we spend, we get around $6 to $7 back in revenue, which with these margins is actually really profitable. So as you can see, it's quite high ticket. We made 9 grand in sales with 8 orders, so around $1,100 in average order value. Now, actually, you can also visit this store live. It's live at this moment. It's called industrialhome.co. You can go to that website and you can check it out. Actually, we also had a bit of bad luck with it because the first couple products that we sold turned out to be out of stock with the supplier. So we had to find new sort of winning products to sell, which we did last month. And yeah, as you can see, we made like 5.5 grand in sales. So it's nothing crazy, but if you look at the ad budget that we spent on this, it's really solid. So let me walk you through what I did exactly when it comes to designing the website and putting everything live. So I'll go to the website here. So very clean, simple design. It's a home store, so different things for in the home we're offering. So as you can see, a very clean and simple collection page layout. Then the home page, same story, trying to make it as valuable and premium as possible. So we had a video editor edit this for I think like $30. Just everything AI generated, by the way, or just taken from some royalty-free sources. So essentially, everything has been put together in around a week time in total. And like I said, with around $500 in total startup capital. So very clean homepage design, displaying a lot of trust at the same time as well by having a brand video, having reviews, embedding the Instagram, and also having a nice about us story with an actual mission of the brand. So that's it when it comes to the homepage and the collection page. And then for the product page, again, creating a lot of trust by having reviews, having very prominent contact options. So phone number here in the header, as you can see, having a live chat on the right bottom, having USPs being displayed underneath the ad card. Also, we have a request a callback button where people can leave their phone number for us to give them a call, which works amazingly well. Also, the pictures actually are all AI generated. So these were not the default supplier images. The default supplier images were all white background images, and we created our own images like this, and even a burning fireplace in the background. So quite insane what you can do nowadays when it comes to generating images and videos with AI. So then we have the description where we've put in custom images per product. So this is a lot of work, right? Like creating essentially custom landing pages per product, but it works amazingly well. So we have images of just this product, also a bit more below on the page, and then a couple unique selling points about this product. So built to last, exceptional comfort, handcrafted quality. So don't copy the unique selling points for your store, but think about what your customers think about, what they value. So in our case, we thought that this is what they value. In your case, it can be completely different, but this layout works really well. So having sort of a landing page outlining the different unique selling points of this product, as well as having more visuals. So this picture is also not present in the gallery. They're new pictures. Then we have the reviews, which is done with Judge.me app, which I recommend to use for you as well. And then related products. And then here we have the contact options as well as a physical address. And also one thing that we like to do is to have a very lenient return policy. So you can see here in the bottom, we have a 100-day risk-free trial policy that gives a lot of comfort to people, that they feel like they can just try it out, and if they don't like it, they can return it for 100 days, which almost nobody does, by the way, but it just increases the trust and the comfort people have with you and your products. Then also we have a 5-year warranty, which is of course very lenient as well, which people also like and gives them more trust in your brand. And then when we go to add to cart, we have the cart page here. And then when we go to checkout, you can see that we have a 3-step checkout process. So first page here is to leave your information. The next page is to choose your shipping option, which is a free option, and then a paid white glove delivery option. And then the last page is the payment page. So that's the checkout process. So we set this up. Then after that, we set up our email and SMS marketing with Omnisend, which were just some basic flows, a ban and checkout flow and a welcome flow. So when you go on this page, probably you'll see an email pop up offering a 15% discount as well, which is very effective. So this coupon code will be sent to those people that opt into our welcome offer. And then lastly, of course, we run the ads, which in this case we only did Google ads. So it's a manual shopping campaign, which I set up, and I've been filtering out all the irrelevant search terms, adding them as negative keywords. So you can go to the search terms and you can see that a lot of them have been excluded. We go to the keywords here. So negative keywords list. You can see all the different irrelevant search terms I've been excluding. 1150 search terms I've already excluded because they are just not relevant for this brand, right? So that's how in the long term this campaign will become way more profitable. So now the long-term game to scale up this brand is to keep optimizing the Google Ads campaign with negative keywords. Then besides that, setting up more advanced email and SMS marketing flows, and also starting to send out campaigns once we hit a couple hundred subscribers on our list. And then also to start using meta ads, so retargeting first of all, retargeting all the people that have come on the website through Google Ads. And then once we hit, I would say, the first 100 orders, we can start to run meta ads very profitably right away with lookalike audiences. So that tends to work really well. We can, of course, also test interest targeting, but lookalikes just tend to be like a very bulletproof way to start your meta ads very profitably. And the type of meta ads are always catalog ads as well as video ads. For example, the videos that I generated with AI for the products, you can simply use as a Facebook ad as well, to be honest. You can put a nice caption on it, like a headline on the video itself, displaying a certain discount or a certain offer. And you can test that as an ad on Facebook as well as static image ads are also very good, very powerful. So as you can see, there's not like one reason that this suddenly started to work. We just implemented a very reliable blueprint formula that essentially works almost every time. Of course, the products have to be good. That was the only variable in here that made me not give this 100% success rate, that we would sell this profitably right out the gate. But the products turned out to be winners as well, so that's good. So if you follow this exact formula, these different steps, and you have a good product, then you should also start to generate sales this profitably right out the gate. So I hope you get a lot of value out of this. Let me know if you have any questions about this subject or everything, like anything that I laid out here in the comments below. I read the comments myself. So feel free to let me know. Feel free to subscribe, and you'll see more of this type of content. And also there's a link in the description talking a bit about how we help e-commerce store owners to essentially build profitable campaigns like this. So feel free to check it out. I don't care if you click it or not. I just hope you got a ton of value out of this video showing you how to start a Shopify store from scratch. So thank you so much for your attention, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.